Start.
Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. I am A.K. Jha from PGT Biology. Today I am going to explain the monohybrid cross in relation heredity and evolution. Monohybrid cross is that type of cross in which only one pair of contrasting traits are considered for cross. Mendel takes one pair of contrasting traits for cross. That type of cross is called monohybrid cross. Gregor John Mendel was an Austrian saint. He was a school teacher and he experimented in garden pea in his garden, and then he formulated some laws of heredity. Gregor John Mendel, later considered as father of genetics. According to Mendel, every characters and traits are controlled by factor. At that time, genes was not discovered. Later on, the factor was converted into genes. That means genes are the carrier of characters, which transfer the characters from one generation to another generation. But at the time of Mendel, genes was not discovered, so Mendel considered the factors are the controlling units of traits. Factors always in pairs. So he considered first of all tall plant and dwarf plant for his cross. T, capital T and capital T are the traits of tallness, and a small t and a small t are the traits of dwarfness. That is tall and dwarf. These are the parental generation. Then gametes are formed. These during the gametes formation, the paired factors are segregated. Only one factor comes in gamete, that is gametes. When he crossed between tall plant and dwarf plant, in F1 generation, all plants are tall. Capital T and small t, that means one factor of tallness and one factor of dwarfness comes in every organism, but in F1 generation, all the plants are tall. Then he crossed between the F1 generation, crossed between the organism of F1 generation again. Gametes are formed. Then in F2 generation, both tall and dwarf plants comes, and the tall and dwarf plants are in the ratio 3:1. These three plants are tall and one plants are dwarf. That is in F2 generation, second filial generation. In F1 generation, all plants are tall, but in F2 generation, both tall and dwarf plants come in the ratio of 3:1. See here, both capital T, small t, capital T small t, and both small t. These three plants are tall and one plant is dwarf. According to his finding, he gives the ratio of monohybrid cross, that is phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio, the ratio which are visible are called phenotypic ratio, that is external ratio. It is 3:1, that is tall is to dwarf 3:1, but in genotype, that is their factors are different. The genetic makeup of organism is called genotype, and genotypic ratio comes three types of plant: pure tall is to hybrid tall is to dwarf, pure tall 1, hybrid tall 2, and dwarf 1. That is, in monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio comes 3:1, and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. This is the monohybrid cross of Mendel, and according to monohybrid cross, Mendel formulated two laws. First law is law of dominance, and second law is law of segregation. Law of dominance says that first law is law of dominance. Law of dominance, and second law is law of segregation. According to law of dominance, Mendel says that when the factors are in pairs and one factor suppresses the other factor in heterozygous condition, when both factors are different, it is called heterozygous condition. When both factors are same, then it is called homozygous condition. In heterozygous condition, if one factor suppresses the other factor, so the factor which suppresses other factor is called dominant factor, and the factors which are suppressed by dominant factor are called recessive factor. For this purpose, for this reason, these hybrid tall, capital T and small t, one factor is tallness and one factor is of dwarfness, and the plants are tall because the factor of tallness suppresses the factor of dwarfness. This is called law of dominance. Here, both small t, there is no any dominant factor, so the plant becomes dwarf. And in these two plants, both tallness and dwarfness genes of, that is factors of tallness and dwarfness are present, but plants are tall because the factor of dwarfness is suppressed by the factor of tallness. This is called law of dominance. A second is law of segregation. During the gamete formation, the paired factors segregated and only one factor comes in each gamete, and there is equal chances of appearance of all the characters and traits. This is called law of segregation. In F2 generation, here both small t comes and dwarf plant appears. That means these factors which are suppressed in F1 generation, appeared in the F2 generation due to the segregation of gametes. So according to the monohybrid cross of Mendel, Mendel gives two laws, laws of dominance and law of segregation. In next class, we study the dihybrid cross of Mendel and the laws formulated by Mendel according to their dihybrid cross.